So hi guys, again this is Dexter, and for today's episode I will be teaching you on how to design your own embroidery design using PE design software. This one, software. Okay, I've already opened software, and the first thing that I will be discussing to you right now is the user interface of this software. So we have here new button, open, save, zoom, and many more. So I have here this flower icon if you want to open this one, so you can see more on how to open and then save your design. So I have here these four major toolbar. You're gonna click this home toolbar. You will see here a bunch of sub-tools that we are going to use in designing. So in this part, in this clipboard, we have cut, copy, paste, duplicate, arrange, and copy, and then delete. For these tools, we have the text. If you want to put text here, then you choose this text tool, and then shape, and then zoom in, zoom out, and then the pan if you want to move your screen, and then press pan. And then this one can measure your design by using this measurement. And then we have here the import, so more on if you want to import, if you have existing pattern, existing decorative pattern, or existing design, so you can import it here. Next is this one, edit. So more on edit is on how to emboss, engrave, or modify, overlap, and then group. And this cut and sew, so I will not discuss any further about this one. And then this one is if you have connected your laptop to the machine, so you can directly send it to the embroidery machine. So as you can see, next is the image. Image is more on opening your design. Next here, edit, if you want to rotate right, rotate left, or just delete it. Here in this box here, stitch wizard. So this is a very interesting tool here because you can stitch your own photo. So we have here photo stitch 1, so you just decide on what color, and then when this stitch 2, and then so for this toolbar I will be teaching you later on how to use this one. Next is view. So view mode is more on I've chosen realistic so that I can visualize more the design that I put in this plain sheet here. This one is show and hide. So as you can see, the tools here is activated, so this sewing order is here, and then this stitch simulator is here, and then the attributes, sewing attributes, text attributes is here, text attributes and sewing attributes. So there's this import pane. So I have also here import. So as you can see, there's a lot of existing designs here in PE design software. Not just animals, but also aquatic, birds, and many more here. So let's go back to text attribute. Next is this one, this scan and cut. Nothing more, just import, export, and then log in, log out. I don't know what is this one, but yeah. And then we have here the stitch simulator, as what I have mentioned earlier. This part here, you can see how your design simulates, and then you can adjust the speed of the simulation here, and you can control it by pressing play, stop, or pause. So I have the ruler here, and I have the guidelines here, and I have, so you can see this one is from the center, it's 0. Before 0 I have 2 inches. After 0 I have 2 inches, so I have a total of 4 inches, same as the other side here. Okay, so now let's start designing. Okay, so the first thing that I will be teaching you is on this select tool. So in this select tool I have 3 types of selecting tool. This one is select point, and this one is select entry exit point. So I will not discuss any further of this one. The most important thing is these 2. So in this selecting tool, you just general select tool, just like this mouse cursor. Okay, and this one is just the points. You can only control the points of the outline of your design. And then the first lesson that I will be teaching you is how to put text. So I have here the text tool. There's 3 types also, but I recommend using this one because there's a lot of fonts that you can use. So for example, we go here, there's only few of the text fonts. So I'll choose this one, and then as you can see, I've already set it to running stitch. This is the outline, and this one is the fill. So I will show you. For example, I will type FabLab and then press enter. Okay, and then hold control, then zoom in. So I have there the sewing order, so it's understandable that the first one is the fill and the second one is the outline. So to give you an example on how this sewing order works and also the simulation, I will just click here, just click play, and then you can now visualize how the machine works. So I can just also adjust the speed of the simulation. So that's it. Press stop, and then you are now back in the designing your design. So I have here in text attributes, you can just rotate the angle of your design, but let's stick to 0. And then the character spacing, I think you already know what is this tool. It's just the spacing between each letter. And also have the alignment, you want to be middle and left or right. So this one direction is on how your text will be its position. So I have here vertical, here FabLab, I have here the horizontal, so FabLab. So in this one, if you want this transform, if you check this one, you can now select bunch of curving styles here and transform. See? But let's stick to the normal. So what if I forgot to add something here? I forgot to put S here, FabLabs. So I just go to this one, this box here, and then type S, FabLabs, and then enter. See? Also, you can go back here so that you can edit your text. Go back to this tool, and then you can select any of your fonts. Okay, and I'll go back here because I like this one. And then I'll go back to this text toolbar, and then I will show you, just zoom in a little bit, and then I'll just show you how these things here work. So in this outline, I use running stitch, single. Also, I can use zigzag. See, zigzag, running stitch, triple stitch, and then this one I don't understand what is what are this. It's better to use running stitch. And then also you can set the color of your outline, example red. So in the previous part of the video, I will be showing you on the machine on how it works. Also, you can, I'll turn it to black because I like black. Here, this is the fill. This is the white here. So you can choose fill stitch. You can, this one, and then satin. Okay, I will choose maybe yellow, or I'll show color palette. Okay. Back here, and then yeah, I have a design here. So you have already a text design. Zoom out and then play again. Okay, go here if you want this to be embroidered on your t-shirt, and then just go here to this flower icon, and then save as, and then choose PES, this one, PES, and then save. So that's it. You just need to get this design here, transfer to a flash drive, and then connect it to the machine. So in the machine, you can also attach a flash drive and also a cable. So next, I will just going to select my tool here, and then copy this one, and then press delete on your keyboard. Okay, I have a new, or you can basically go here, new, and then No. And then next is I will be teaching you how to trace something and how to use this shape. Basically in shapes, you can choose this one and then click and drag, then release. See? Okay, and then delete. So today I will be teaching you how to use this tool here, this point here, by using this one, outline tracing. So first, I will just download a sample. I choose this one, Twitter, and then just save this one, K, and then X, and then X, and then go back to this software. Actually, you can basically drag this one here, then put it here, okay, and then drag this one to its that can fit the designing plane. Okay, and then press anywhere. And then you cannot remove this one. Now, if you want to remove this one, you need to make a new design. Go zoom in, hold control, and then zoom. And then let's go to shapes. Here in shapes, you need to choose this one and then click it to the points. Well, it's not necessary that you need to go here and go here, point here, point here, point here. This is more convenient. So, for example, this one, and this one, this one. Later part, you will see and you will appreciate the tools, the select tool, 4 points. This one, that one, that one, that one, and then that one, and escape and enter. So you can see it's different from the photo. So I have here, just set this one to not soon so that you can see not soon. You can see the points, the lines here that will be going to adjust. So here I'll go to just add some points here and then click and then drag, release, click and drag, release, so forth and so on. Also, you can adjust the points that you put earlier. Okay, and then just make sure that to go back to its original selecting tool, and then go here and then select a stitch that you want. So this one I'll be choosing fill stitch. So you can see the Twitter is red, so I'll change it to blue. And then if you want to have a border, then it's for you to decide if you want to put something here. And then let's try to simulate. Okay, that's how it works, and then stop. And then if you already decided, okay, this is my final design for Twitter, and then I will be putting this one in my clothes. Click again this flower icon and then save. Still PES, and you have this one. So this one is ready to embroidered. So you just need to copy this one on your flash drive and then transfer it to your machine. Hi guys, that's it, and I hope you learned something in this tutorial on how to make your own embroidery design using PE design software. So I hope that you will apply this to the future, and then you might encounter some PE embroidery machines, and then that's how you do it. Thank you guys.